Hi there, my name is Anélia and I'm excited to share with you the wonderful world of student life at Niagara College, Toronto. Our team here is dedicated to create a vibrant and inclusive college community where students can thrive academically, socially, and personally.
Our department is deeply committed to the singular goal of fostering an environment where every student feels supported and empowered to excel. We achieve this by providing a wide range of opportunities for personal and professional development, promoting diversity and inclusion, providing extensive options and resources for your housing and accommodation search, offering comprehensive resources and support services to enhance your overall experience.
We offer a variety of programs and resources to cater to the diverse needs of our students, including leadership development programs and workshops, opportunities for social engagement through a wide variety of special interest clubs, student organization support and resources, travel support services from pre-departure guidance to airport pickups, on-site events and activities such as cultural celebrations, concerts and guest speakers, health education initiatives and fitness activities, opportunities for community service and civic engagement.
We strive to create opportunities that allow our students to become engaged in life and outside of their classes and make a positive impact both at NCT and in the broader communities.
If you're interested in learning more about getting involved, feel free to reach out to us. You can find us on our website or contact us by email.
We look forward to helping you make the most of your student life here at Niagara College, Toronto.